Good morning, guys. My name is Rudy Peters. Hello to my friends in Facebook, to my followers in Facebook and Reels, and my followers in my YouTube channel. Thank you sa lahat nga nagsusuporta sa akin. Napahinto ako sa pag-upload ng sa Reels. Pero meron pa rin pa isa-isa dahil nag-concentrate ako dun sa bagong journey ko sa YouTube. And sana ay hindi kayo magsawa sa akin para marami pa akong matulungan ng ibang mga kababayan natin. And then right now, my husband and I, today is Saturday. What's the day today, honey?
15th
The 15th of
March.
15th of March. So thank you guys for supporting me. Today is Saturday. We're going for lunch, of course. And then I'll see you in the next video. And thank you to all my friends and YouTubes and the Facebook. Thank you. And have a good day, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you all.